Mia is a young girl. She lives in a small house in the countryside. Her house is very beautiful. It has a blue door and big windows. Around the house, there are many green trees and colorful flowers. Mia loves her home because it is quiet and cozy. Inside the house, everything is neat and clean. Mia has a small kitchen to cook delicious food. She has a warm bedroom with a soft bed. Every morning, the sun shines through the window and wakes her up. Mia feels very happy. She drinks a cup of tea and looks at the garden. Life is peaceful for Mia in her little house. One day, Mia sees a small cat near her gate. The cat is orange and white. It has big green eyes and a long tail. The cat looks hungry and cold. Mia brings the cat inside. She gives him a bowl of warm milk and some fish. The cat eats everything quickly. Mia smiles and says, "I will call you Leo." Now, Mia is not alone. She has a friend. Leo is a very cute cat, but he is also very naughty. He does not like to sit still. He likes to run, jump, and play all day long. Leo is a playful cat. Sometimes, he is too naughty. In the morning, when Mia is sleeping, Leo jumps on her bed. He touches her nose with his cold paws. Mia wakes up and laughs. One afternoon, Mia is cleaning the house. She puts a vase of flowers on the table. The flowers are red and smell very sweet. Leo looks at the flowers. He thinks they are toys. He jumps on the table and, crash, the vase falls down. The water is everywhere. Mia sighs, "Oh, Leo. You are so naughty." But Leo just looks at her and says, "Meow." He looks so innocent that Mia cannot be angry. The next day, Mia is in the kitchen. She wants to bake a cake. She puts flour, eggs, and sugar on the counter. The phone rings, and Mia goes to the living room to answer it. When she comes back, she sees a mess. Leo is covered in white flour. There is flour on his ears, his nose, and his tail. He looks like a little ghost. Leo chased a fly and jumped into the bowl of flour. Mia laughs until her stomach hurts. She has to give Leo a bath. Leo does not like water, but now he is clean and smells like soap. At night, the little house is very quiet. Mia sits on the sofa and reads a book. Leo is tired after a long day of playing. He climbs onto Mia's lap and purrs loudly. Mia pets his soft fur. She realizes that her house is more fun with Leo. Even though he is naughty and makes a mess, he brings a lot of joy. Mia and Leo are best friends. They live happily together in the small, beautiful house.